Onward Bold, what it is and why it matters in today's market. It's 99% new content. The classic 8 laws stay, 30 brand new laws arrive, plus one proven conversation. While accountability, call time, and teams remain, there is no fluff. It's Gary's current roadmap, what he'd hand the top 200 agents right now. You'll work through 10 bold truths, deep transformational principles. Lead gen gets a social media playbook, so you generate leads your way for today's market. You'll deploy 6+ MREA Plays, the best models from the Millionaire Real Estate Agent. Multiple listing and buyer consults, dozens of new conversation models for real-world situations. It drives deals now, and it rewires how you think. Build wealth for lasting success. That's Onward Bold. Built for now, but designed for what's next.